Today we have iPhone 8 here in my hand. Today I'm going to unlock this iPhone unable device. This iPhone 8 has been disabled due to a lot of trying wrong password. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock this device with the help of this i3 utools. To unlock this device we need to flash new software here on iPhone 8 or whichever iPhone you have. You need to download the flash file from i3 utools. To download that files we have to first enter recovery mode on our device. To enter recovery mode in this device we have to insert data cable like this and press the volume up button once and volume down button, then simultaneously press the power button until you see the recovery mode option. Let's wait a bit. My phone has been off and I'm waiting a little bit to see recovery mode option. Don't release the power button yet. Keep pressing it until you see the recovery mode option. Here we are. The recovery mode is here, and this type of window will appear in your Windows desktop or PC. Refresh and go to flash. I have already put it on download this file. Just download here, click download, and after downloading this file you just need to flash. Here are the varieties which mode you can flash on. Return user data. In this mode your file will not be lost, and quick flash, your file will be lost, but this flash will faster than other flash. And anti-reload flash. If you have any software issues on your device like lagging or loop on iPhone logo and not turning on, you can choose anti-recovery flash or fix flash. Choosing those flash option will help you to recover your iPhone, to repair iPhone. I'm going to use this return user data because my device is not at fault, and I only need to remove the passcode screen lock. To remove that, I just need to flash this return user data. Right, my file is downloading and it's only been 13 to 23%. I will wait here. Download has been completed and I'm going to flash it here to this iPhone 8 device. Let's go to the flash button, choose return user flash, and then flash it like pro. Yes, let's go, baby. Proportion. Ooh, let's go. I will wait here a little bit. Flash was successfully complete and now it's showing iPhone unavailable. Try again in 7 or 50 minutes. I think I need to flash it on different mode, like this one. To flash it again, we should off it and put it into recovery mode like we did before. Press 1, 2 and holding power button until you enter the recovery mode. After entering recovery mode, I am going to flash it again. La. I'm still going to release the power button once. Okay, I will do that process again to enter recovery mode. Let's just wait here patiently. Volume up, down. Continue holding the power button until you get the recovery menu. And now it's on recovery mode. I will flash it on different mode now. I flashed on user data a few minutes ago. Now I'm going to flash it on quick flash mode. My tears gone cold and wondering why. Oh, जाओ लाग्यो दाइ गेम खेल्ने हैन गाइज हाम्रो सफ्टवेयर फेरि लिइसकेको छ हैन क्विक फ्ल्यासबाट चाहिँ अनि हाम्रो मोबाइलमा चाहिँ यस्तो स्क्रिन आएको छ हेर्नुस् यहाँ अब तपाईको एप्पल आइडी लक लागेको छ भनेर हैन यो अब एप्पल आइडी हालेपछि यो खोलिन्छ यो सेटले हामीलाई हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईहरु हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ यहाँनेर हैन टक्क लाएर अब रिजन इन्डियामै भएछ हैन केही छैन यसलाई फेरि ब्याक गरेर नेपालमै राख्नुपर्छ हामी किनकि नेपाली हो पुरै हैन टक्क लाएर ए म त इंग्लिशमा बोलिरहेको यार सरी गाइज I have just completed the software here and on quick flash and this type of window will appear here when I'm done with the software. Let's try to find our region here. Where is Nepal, bro? Nepal. It's done. After setting those language and region, I'm going to set up new and then choose a network. Let's wait a bit and I'm going to connect the Wi-Fi here. Connect Wi-Fi here. And net 513.
Factory and money, reset and money.
Factory and money. It's done. It's connected to the network, and you just have to enter your Apple ID here. This is the Apple ID and I have it unlocked with passcode. We don't know password, but we know the Apple ID, so I'm going to use Apple ID here. I'm not going to show you my Apple ID, so I'm going to pause the video here. And I will incorrect Apple ID password. I just put the Apple ID here and it's asking me for Touch ID. I'm not getting user right now, so I will do it later on. I'm setting. Don't use passcode. And so restore Apple ID or the wrong restore. I don't want to restore there. Set up later in setting. don't use. Agree. It's done. Continue. Location service. Set up letter in setting. Don't share. Continue. And it's done here. Now we can finally use our iPhone here, and you can see its software version and the model name. It's iPhone SE. Oh, it's SE. I thought that it was an iPhone 8, but it was an iPhone SE. So it's okay. You can see it's still rare. We can also check this part is changed or this part is not. You can see this rear camera change abnormal, rear camera abnormal, front camera, touch ID, model may be changed, and okay, other things are good. Thank you for watching, brothers and sisters. Like, share and comment to watch more video like this one. I hope you like my video. See you on next video. Until then, Jai Mata Sita.